Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this super easy messy updo hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I'm just going to secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. I've cut up a bun donut and I'm just going to fold that padding up to make a rectangle shape, and we're just going to pin this at the very top of the ponytail to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Next, divide the ponytail into 3 equal sections, and starting on the first one we're just going to split this in half and wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below and pinch and pull that twist apart. So take this twist from the left hand side over to the right, so pin it to the left hand side of the padding with a bobby pin and also to the right hand side. And then I like to slip a couple of pins through the middle of the twist to keep it secure. And then just leave the ends of it hanging loose down the right hand side. So moving on to the second section, we're going to do the exact same steps. So split it in half and create a twist. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull for more volume. Bring this up and over the top of the other twist, pinning it on both sides and leaving the ends hanging down on the right hand side. Don't forget to pop a couple of bobby pins through the middle of the twist. Spend a minute or so just pinching and pulling those twists to help cover the padding. And then moving on to that last section, I'm going to incorporate the tail ends of the previous, and I'm just going to split it in half and again create one more twist. Apply your texture spray and we're going to bring this straight up the right hand side of the padding and pin it to the side, and then just pinch and pull gently as you go, and we're going to take this twist over the top of the padding and to the left hand side, and then just secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. And then finally we're going to take the twist down the left hand side of the padding and pin it behind the other twist to hide the ends. Now all that's left to do is to pinch and pull each of those twists and pin them to the padding so you can't see it. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.